to? You look all right, Scruff. You're a bit tied up at the moment. Yeah, well, actually, I can see that. Your bag was beginning to feel a bit lived in. So you decided to have a bit of a sort out. Oh, you mean you finally decided to get rid of some of that junk you keep in there? I'm sorry. It's not junk. It's just that you haven't found anywhere to put it yet. I see. May I ask how this clear out is going? It's harder than you thought. But you have collected rather a lot of junk. Sorry, I did mean stuff. And actually, what are you going to do with it all once you've sorted it out? You're going to put it all in my house? Yeah, I thought you might say that, and you can forget it. Get off. You can't get round me that easily. All right, okay, I'll think about it. Trouble is, once you'd started sorting stuff out, yeah, you realise how difficult it can be, yeah. And the more you tried, the bigger mess you got into. Yeah, come on, Scruff. I'm sure we can sort this out. Come on, get off. Sometimes the more we try to sort out our messes, the more they seem to get really, really bad. Should we do nothing about them then? Well, that's not actually what I meant. We do need to sort out stuff, but not in our own strength. No, you don't get some other monk to do it for you. We can ask God to help us. Yeah, he would do that for us. God doesn't want us to get all that tied up in the mess we make of things. It is for freedom that Christ has set us free, St. Paul writes in Galatians. God will hear our prayers and forgives and frees us if we turn to him and ask. Wow is right. By the way, you've got a bone to pick with me. It's not that one that's been hanging around in your bag, is it? Ugh. Last week I said that St. George's Day was on a Wednesday. But it was actually on Thursday. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. That was a mess by me, wasn't it? Okay, but I'm forgiven. I'm so pleased about that. Okay, that's sorted. You're going back to your tidying up now? Yeah, okay. But you're going to ask God to help you do it? Well done. I'm sure he will. Right, where are you going to start? Where's this bit of string gone? Oh, there, yeah, it's one. You've got the useless bit of string.